How to see who blocked you on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can find out who has blocked you on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now one thing that you have to understand is that Instagram actually does not notify you of blocked accounts, which means if a person specifically blocks you off, then Instagram is not going to notify you at all. But there are a couple of steps that you can take it. So first of all, what you want to do is open up Instagram. Most likely, if you think that the person has blocked it, you want to just try to search for the name at the top. When you search for the name, basically their name will not show up on the list, and it basically means one of the primary reasons that they could have blocked you. The other is, if you just come to your messaging icon here, you try to message a specific person, but now you go to their profile, it simply says user not found, and that's how it works. Basically, if you just tap on that profile, and this time when you tap on them on this page, it will just select user not found, or sometimes it says account does not exist or something like that. And these are the ways to specifically figure out, but there isn't a direct solution. However, these were the couple of steps that you can take. Now sometimes their account could have been banned or deleted, right? So in that case, what you can do is just try to switch your account. If you have one, try to switch your account and try to search for that profile, and this time when you search for their profile, if their name does show up, then it means that they have blocked only your specific account. So just keep that thing in mind. Hope this video helped you answer the question. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.